Niganizo yanga chape, si maganizo yako yai. Niganizo yanga chape, si maganizo yako yai. Nisiye niganize vamene niganiza, nisiye nigambe vamene niganiza, nisiye niganize vamene niganiza. It's just my opinion, so let me speak.
Welcome to today's episode of Ganizo. I'm your host Isaac Chamba. Today is a beautiful day and we have nice programs. You can catch us kuma program ya kumanyumba uku kumanyuma pa chikambe.com. Hivi ni ma message mungatuma pa message iyo namba ili pa screen mwatitumira ma comments mpaja mchita advertise mwatitumira futi. Story yo yamba ikuti MPs face yellow card. President Edgar Lungu has said the Patriotic Front Central Committee will soon meet for a mid-term audit of the performance of the members of parliament, and those found wanting will be shown yellow cards. Yeah, President Lungu, Wangalari Fari, this is very good. Yeah, Sibweni Lungu, this is what we want. Rifari apa manje, because now nakudara Riseman ni Bowman ni Riseman. But the President apa manje ni Rifari yellow card. In fact, apa wanyake mkuwa pako ma red card. Chifika, elangu ni madoman, very dormant. They are just hecklers. Yay! Oh! My red card yopenyeka President. Maningi tomene red. Na mapenalty wenangu my red now out. Matoka mbora. Yeah. This is what we want. This is very, very good. Congratulations, Rifari. Rifari. Yeah, inena plika makoras bwen. This is working. Tinawaona pa matoget warifari wezotenga na ndrama pa matoget. This is good. This is working. Yeah, I have another story here. Ikuti court government to pay farmers 50 million weekly. The government through the Ministry of Finance has pledged to release 50 million kwacha weekly in a bid to offset the 241 million it owes farmers who have supplied maize to the Food Reserve Agency. Congratulations. This is good. This is good. Even media akaseweza amafora. Even farmer akaseweza naye akagurisa milisi afunika afore at least mwapasi manje ganzo yanga chabini ganza nanti nanga vaja vamene makadi yanasowa vizankara bwanji bazafora bwanji. I'm just thinking in maganzo yanga chabe iyamveka bwino 50 million kuti vanaseveza mamezi vose vazapasa 50 million manje vaja vana maishu ya makadi vazafora bwanji tiziwe kwapo maganzepo ni ganza chabe na imwe mganzepo ni ganzo yanga chape. I have another story here, very interesting story. Ikuti tours to build Zambia Lungu. President Edgar Lungu says the tolling system being rolled out in the country is not meant to overburden Zambians with taxes but help build infrastructure countrywide using locally generated resources. The president also explained that the Patriotic Front campaign promises to lower taxes did not mean Zambians would stop remitting taxes to the treasury. He said government is trying to broaden the task base. Kuchita broaden kutikose titengeko vindalama ukukose na salary nayo kikirako niganza chabe. I'm just thinking maganzo yanga chabe. But this is a very good thing. Kutindalama tishita correct kuma target tingenese ma infrastructure building na vinyake. This is very good. But ine question yanga ganzo yanga chabe ni kuti lesop wamene wafaka kuchaji kutisaka vere kutindalama za ma target nazo za soba please hivyo mwamene tinamvirea kuti makadi 7,000 yanasowa mwane tinamvirea kuti ndrama hizo wanatumiza tinabweza kwa mene zinatokera kwa wazungu tinabweza nazo hizi zamene tizamba kushita correct waonepo wali in charge kuvandalama unamponi kuti mwamene mwaika in charge uku kuma target kutenga ndalama revenue tisaka mverepo maruma kuti ya indalama za soba ya chimanyi vichi please tentuonepo kuti these are good plans, good ideas to develop Zambia, not kuti kupezeke futi venangu wambe kushita purif ndalama za parodi. No, this is a bad idea. And then magazanga neno organiza chifika kai paja parodi to tipereka 20 kwacha direct. Manje why sikunga gareko system omwamene ili system ya tumakamera yakuti people don't handle cash. They don't handle cash. Nga traveling waguliratu ticket ukafika chabe paja ukangenesa cha waguliratu through the bank. I'm just thinking ni maganzo yangu. Waguliratu through the bank ukafika pa toll gate paja ukangenesa chabe ka ticket kwa wapita. Wageresamo kwa rather than wapa matogeti paja wazitenga cash ndalama. Ni ganza chabe. I'm just thinking ni maganzo yanga chabe ni ganize. I'm thinking kuti why kuti kuchifika every target wampasa 20 kwacha why stick guliratu mwamene chishitira ututuma kamera yakuti ubolipira afterwards. Naife kuno wa uzi watuenda kopa belt wagula kakadi kuli matogets yangatu wapenda 3 waguliratu kakadi kaja through the bank wapereka ndrama ku bank uenda chabe na kakadi ukafika paja wangene samu cha seguka wapita wangene samu cha seguka chapita rather than kuwapasa cash. I think ni ganzo yanga chabe ni ganza chabe. Let's go for a break. We'll be back.
Sisi, Chacha, come on, don't worry, my sister. My elder sister is just like your mother-in-law. Make sure you finish everything she has prepared for you.
Don't worry,
Menda. Yeah. Sisi. Numa apa menda nzaba?
Mama, menda urati menda nzi. Kamenda boyenka.
He doesn't take any type of water. He only takes Aquarite purified water.
You
could have asked.
Aquarite purified water is purified using state-of-the-art reverse osmosis and UV sterilization. Aquarite, the right way to drink water. Leave a
Ni ganizo yanga chape, si maganizo yako yai. Ni ganizo yanga chape, si maganizo yako yai.
Welcome back. I'm your host Isaac Chamba. Pari namba ya makoments hapo mungalembe. Tangulekezera pa story kuti Toges to build Zambia alungu wayavira. So ine ganizo yanga pa matogets inali ya kuti instead yo wapasa ndalama baje wapa matoget. Chifuka ni ndalama zilinga everyday ango tenga ma 20 mwampasa ma 20. Who audits? You know these things is tempting. Now we are moving in a technological world. Why not ngauzi wakutuenda kuchipata pali matogeti yangati una kadi waguliratu mkakadi kaja wakupasa na kakadi katiketi kautu kangenesamo tulipo pa society house kaja monga kapa society house kaja wakaguliratu waza kangenesa cha seguka upita chabe not kuwapasa cash bantu ni ganza chabe ni ganzo yanga hiyo atogeti mganzepo hiyo ni yanga let's move on. I have another story here kuti orphanages not fundraisers. Government has urged organizations running orphanages in the country to stop using the institution as fundraising ventures. Minister of Community Development and Social Services Oripa Piri said government appreciates the important role that orphanages center play in taking care of the vulnerable children. Mrs. Piri said the government alone cannot afford to take care of the vulnerable children. This is very good. Manje if we know bose tumanya makora kuti ma orphanage yenangu umufunza munda no I want to start a business. What kind of a business at orphanage? Orphanage inangarariti business namwe ma orphanage ni ganza chabe ma orphanage. Why ma orphanage vatenga ma orphanage vana vari kudara kuma nyumba kwa atate wao? Why simungatenga orphanage vana vari mu street? Ani ganzo yanga chabe ma street kids ni wambiri maningi. Why kosa tenga vana va street ndiye mpereka kuma orphanage? Nokuti kutenga vana vari kudara na wabururu vari kudara na vandu wa taking care ndiye mpereka kuma orphanage. I think hapo mganzepo hiyo ni ganzo yanga chabe chifuka ma street kids ni vambiri ma street kids valimbwe TNT maorphanage wose bakabwera pamozi kwa bangena mu street noamba kutushita convince to ma street kid tose kuti let's go to our orphanage kuliva kudya kulivovara kulivotamba. I think it is actually reduce ma street kid chifuka kairi ba street kid bafuna kudya bafuna pogona ndiyo bali jekokara so ndiyo afunika orphanage to reduce number ya population ya ma street kids na ireka ganizo naenda kuinyake ikuti Zambia Tanzania Zambia Railways Memorial Park to boost tourism. Government will not Memorial Park to boost tourism. Government will not tolerate anyone disputing the construction of a memorial park for the 36 Chinese who died during the construction of the Tanzania Zambia Railways. The Chinese ambassador to Zambia Kaya says the planned Tazara Memorial Park to be constructed is not a burial site but a tourist attraction. Manda yangala tourist attraction. It's not a burial site but a tourist attraction. So tizamba utamba chani ku Memorial Park. I'm just thinking kaidi ni Memorial Park. Tikaenda ku Memorial Park ya itinayo kwa ma president timaona kuti hapa pana gona president chiti hapa pana gona president chiti hapa pana gona president chiti manje ya Tanzania Zambia Railways Memorial Park kuzakara chane pakuti kare tourist attraction swimming pool or kuzakara chane tourist attraction what will be attracting the tourists to come and see what attraction kuzakara jumping castle I don't know. I'm just thinking ganzo yanga chabe magazo yanga ina kupangani ni akuti I'm just thinking so aba banafa kuja 36 ma Chinese wana model nanga ija dagama shoti ina gwandeke kuja nako tikapange tourist attraction kapenda umeona bwana olo ku especially ku South Africa wa jama Zambians banafa na chiteche na bus nako ku South Africa tikapange tourist attraction ani ganizo chabe ni ganzo yanga chabe kapena kukamba chabe nkari Memorial Park not tourist attraction manje tourist attraction na panafera vandu what is going to attract the people? I'm just thinking because nasokonezeka kapena na perevera nzerwe tourist attraction Memorial Park naleka na jumpa story pali nyake hapa ikuti Malanji advises prayer warriors. Malanji. Minister of Foreign Affairs Joseph Malanji has advised Zambians traveling abroad for prayers to get travel insurance to cover any eventualities. Speaking to journalists yesterday, Mr. Malanji said government has no budget for Zambians who get stranded or find themselves in a situation while abroad. Wanyamuka kuma prayers na faith. Wazaka kwera ndeke twa ni gazo yaka tabi wafika kuma prayers kuja ma prayers yasira ma prayers zobwerera za soba shua nishimzambia mlibe mapembero pakuti mtoke mapembero kutoka kuno kuzaka konga mapembero kani kuti huko mtoke kuno kukonga mapembero nishimzambia mlibe mapastazi muzambia ni ganza chabe muzambia mlibe maprofeti Muzambia mlibe wandu wopembera even Bible nyengo za kare zira kukawa Elijah na Elisha akayoa kuti is there no prophet in Israel? Is there no prophet? Are you telling me Mzambia mlibe wenye mapembero wakali kuti wandu wakwerengendeke kwenda kukonga mapembero huko kapena mulungu anachinja salimo Mzambia alikuinango kapena Mzambia mulibe maprofeti shua vandu tienti ganzepo so mwanyamuka na faith yanu mwazakaluta mwembekeza government kuti chose ndalama vayovoya pati government ilibe ndalama ya kuti mwanyamuka mwakhala stranded huko konga maprofeti mutengera tuna traveling insurance para mwatondeka ndalama huko mwapereka zose offering mwapereka seed seed imagine zokwerera wapereka seed uzabwerera bwaji wapeleka seed zokwerera wapeleka zokwerera manje uzabwerera bwanji wankara stranded why vamene wao kwa mino waenda kuma pembero suna auze kuti wakupasi yokwerera kai ufuna wai boma ikuwiki koma yokwerera. Let's be sensible enough. There are so many men of God and prophets in this country that you don't need to travel Just have faith, and faith will save you. Faith. Na itumpa story kuli inangu hapa ikuti cleaning to become law. Every citizen mandated to participate once bill is passed. Minister of Local Government Vincent Mwale Wakuti will this week present a bill to Parliament that will compel residents to participate in the Keep Zambia Green and Healthy campaign. And Mr. Mwale has urged market traders at the newly built Soweto Annex to maintain high standards of hygiene to prevent the spread of to prevent the spread of communicable diseases such as cholera. A Vincent Mwale Wakuti bakalenge ku parliamenti kuzaka onapo kuti cleaning to become a law. This is very good. Cleaning to become a law. Ine ganzo yanga di ganiza chap. I'm just thinking. Chifukwa nikaona nikaganiza bwino bwino. Niziwa kuti kuli Lusaka City Council. Lusaka City Council even ku wazungu ku London. London ku wazungu ku London. Ngati London ina dot. Vama yangana panda. Mayor. Chifuka mayor ndiye wali charge ya London. So cleanliness to become law. Ine hapa nasukunezi kako. Chifuka, it's good idea, yes. But futi maganzo yanga ni ganza kuti where is the council? So nishi futi ni malozi yangati yantiza kara nayo cleanliness nayo kare law. Nishi nakusamba nako kunkare law. Nakudya nako inkare law. Chifuka, in my own understanding, in my economic cleanliness is close to godliness. Cleanliness is a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle. When did a lifestyle become a law? Cleanliness is a lifestyle, the way we live. So kasi na kusamba inkare law. Na kuchifuka kusamba ni cleanliness. Kare law. Kusamba nga sana sambe mundu is broken the law. Wofunda wonse broken the law. Sana sambe. Cleanliness. Kusamba ikare law. Kunjira mchimbuzi is cleanliness. Ikare law nayo. Kudya vakudya ikare law. Chifuka kudya, you have to eat hygienic food. Nako kudya vakudya ikare law. I'm just thinking, even ku London, ngati ku London City na doti, who do they look for? They look for the mayor of London. Responsibility ya city council ni kuona hapo kuti council vindu kuli cleanliness mu city ndiye responsibility ya council. Manje ineni ganiza kuti council ili natuja tumalamulo tuwa kuti ngati utaya vakudya mu street ni mulandu, watundira mu street ni mulandu, motoka ienda wataya chibotoro, wataya kapepa ni mulandu. Maganzo yanga ni ganza, why not enforce those that are already there? Enforce them, because city council inayo hivyo. Mundu nga watundira mu street wanga kupeleka court. Mundu nga wataya chibini parodi motoka ienda council ina mandate kukupeleka ku court. Ayo malamulo yaliko kale. So iyo kirina ya kuti zankararo kuti wose tizikirina every now and then tizikirina. It's a good thing. I'm not saying it's not a good thing. It's a good thing. My only ganizo ni ya kuti, why not also enforce vija? Because kukirina ni one thing, but kupanga doti is another thing. So why not also enforce ya jamaramulo ya kuti once tapanga clean, we should maintain cleanness. Omwati na punzira ku skulu, chifuka ku skulu ine nakula nayo up to manje niyo posta trespass. Up to manje kanasalirira mutu kaja kuti nilikangwa kutaya cha banana mu street because wanani ponisa ku skulu. Try a child in the way you should go and you will not depart from it. Nachoka hapo pangani yo. Let's go for a break. We'll be back.
Niganizo yanga chape, si maganizo yako yai. Niganizo yanga chape, si maganizo yako yai. Nisiye niganize vamene niganiza, nisiye nigambe vamene niganiza, nisiye niganize vamene niganiza. It's just my opinion, so let me speak.
Sisi, Chacha, come on, don't worry, my sister. You know elder sister is just like your mother-in-law. Make sure you finish everything she has prepared for you.
Don't worry, having no pora.
Anda menda. Yeah. Asisi. Numa apa menda nzaba.
Mama, I menda urati menda nzi. Kamenda boyenka.
He doesn't take any type of water. He only takes Aquarite purified water.
He
could have asked.
Aquarite purified water is purified using state-of-the-art reverse osmosis and UV sterilization. Aquarite, the right way to drink water. Live a vibrant life.
Welcome back to Ganizo. Yes, kulima story ya kumanyuma ya mnatamba nga mfuna kuyaona mgaone patikambe.com. Hivi ninga muna ma comments mungalemba hapo, ma comments namba ilipo pa screen. Nina story wema hapa ikuti stop vandalizing electricity infrastructure. Monday greetings from Zesco and welcome to another conversation with the national utility. As Zesco wakuti stop vandalizing electricity infrastructure. This is very true. Even in sapato yako, au ungangambe sheti ya mene uvala. Ungangambe sapato ya mene uenderapo. Even kawara rapokuba zafuna malaiti. Even mfiti polo waifuna malaiti. Ingalowe chimtengo cha malaiti. No. Ganizo yanga ni ya kuti onani. How do we stop vandalizing? Let's realize we have to realize kuti aya malaiti ni atu para washita vandalize. That means you won't have electricity. Para wa ononga phone yako suzatumira phone chimozi. So let's think in those lines. Na jumpa story yo. Nina nyaka hapa ikuti church congregants reconcile after fist fight. St. Peter's Presbyterian congregation in Chipata, where a pastor allegedly fought with church members, have resolved to make peace. Pastor Sonye Banda, other senior church officials and congregants were found in a worship and praise session on Thursday afternoon at their church. The church has acknowledged that there was a fight, but that the pastor and the church members involved did not spend a night in the police cells, but were detained for 3 hours before being released on Monday, a day after the fight. Kuchipata huko ngani ni yakuti abusa na wa church zatimbana. Please, we know Bible we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities. So not principalities ya ma church congregants, principalities ya mizimu za mchanya. So kutimbana shu abusa. No, come on. How do we resolve to such? Ndisevara wa Mulungu, we are children of God. We have to, whenever there's a conflict, it's not sima kofi ai. Karanipasi, you are pastors, men of God. Karanipasi solve the congregation. Nishapo Yesu mwamikapati. Yesu manje mwamikapati. Since the time of John the Baptist, the kingdom has suffered violence. The violence will take it by force. No. Apo teach the vindu in a right way. Abusa, humble yourself. Maona kuti vandu wakalipa. Humble yourself, you are a man of God. Not kutimbana mpaka police. Police is solving a vindu vama church. No, this is wrong. I have another story. Ganzo yanga chapi. I have another story here kuti Mangango ballots ready for delivery. I love this one. Ballot papers for Mangango Parliament by-election are expected to arrive in the country today. Electoral Commission of Zambia Public Relations Manager Margaret Chimanse said the ballot papers for the Mangango Lupososhi ward by-elections were printed by the Zina ya Chitechi ya company ku Dubai, the company that has been contracted by government. So wakutima ballot papers yopita ku Mangango yari ready. So ya pitenga ku Mangango sono hapa. So ine ganzanga ni yakuti ma by-election mwa bantu yashita over. By-election. Manje ni ganza chape. I'm just thinking ni ganzo yanga chape. Why umopo yambira njito mwamene timashita po yamba njito oromundu aenda ku police. bazafuna ba checking ama medicals poenda ku police orofuna yamba usoja baza checking ama medicals poendo yamba usoja ufuna yamba njito makampani ya nyake haya they'll check for your medicals, you go for medical checkup. Nanga why ma candidates watu nawo swaenda ku medical checkup ni ganzo yanga chabe ni ganiza why? Because uzada kuti MP wanjirapo pa MP 2 months down the line MP wafa by election ndalama za njira chiteche kasera wanjirapo pa kasera 2-3 days wafa ndalama za njira. Why nawo ma candidates woimirira my election why swaenda for medical checkup kuti timanyenge kuti mundu wali fit to represent us fit? Because yanga neponi hapo ini ganzo yanga chabe ni ganzo chabe kuti waona tivotera ba mwamene vanachitira machiteche ma grade 12 certificate kuti grade 12 certificate ba checking makora why na eve medical singa kalepo ni ganzo chabe kuti medical report you are a candidate, you are representing filing in nomination na medical report ilipo I'm healthy, I'm very well, I'm very nicely niga Harrison Zafa Mairo. I'm just thinking because mwavotera mundu mpawa pum wangenapo mpawa ni kasera kapera ni MP 2-3 days down the line yanoka yambo smoker 2-3 days down the line iyo ya karana skrepo meto taimbapo walira mayo kulepa ziu by election za njira ndalama ani ganza chabe tentuonepo hapa kuti tizichitana ma medical mwachita medical kutaona MP wetu bali makora iye akasira vitu bali makora tizakara na watu tenure of office ya mara ni kuti good night nalekera pempapa.
Ni ganizo yanga chape, si maganizo yako yai. Ni ganizo yanga chape, si maganizo yako yai. Nisiye niganize vamene niganiza, nisiye nigambe vamene niganiza, nisiye niganize vamene niganiza. It's just my opinion, so let me speak.